Hello everyone, I'm back with another painting tutorial and we'll paint Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch. Animated characters are super easy to paint and look fabulous when put on display. We start off with a rough sketch using a lead pencil. We start with the ears, then the head, and then the smaller details like the nose, the eyes, the ear folds. Then we come to the mouth, and then the tiny fingers, the hands, and then we complete the sketch with the body. Our first shade is gonna be white and pink in the ratio 1:1. We get a light shade of pink with which we paint the whole background. My brush size here is 10. Add a little more pink to your previous shade to make a darker shade and make some hearts with it. Add a little more pink to make an even darker shade and make some more hearts with it. Now you have 3 shades of pink to paint with. You may add pink as per your own convenience. For the body, we are taking purple, white, Prussian blue in the ratio 1:2:1. After mixing these 3 shades, start painting the body. My brush size here is 10. If you feel you are not comfortable with this brush size, you may always switch to a smaller brush size. For the inner part of the ears, we are taking white and purple in the ratio 1:1 to get a lighter shade of purple. Fill the inner part of the ears with this light shade of purple. For the highlights in its body, I'm using light blue. If you do not have light blue in hand, you can mix Prussian blue and white in the ratio 1:1. I'm using Prussian blue for the nose. For the eyes, I'm using black and leaving 3 blank spaces to represent reflections. When painting eyes, always leave reflections since it makes your character look more adorable. My brush size is 4. Start outlining your character with a black gel pen. You may also use a black sketch pen if you wish. Outlining with black accentuates your painting and highlights each and every detail of your character. In case you're using a thin tip black pen like me, you can overlap it for darker lines. Peel the masking tape off. Here you are with an adorable illustration of Stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.